Hey guys, so we're here with Chris from Good Dude Concepts. We're taking a little break from the range. He's been showing us some of the capabilities of the BRB on some vehicles we have behind you guys. But we're here to talk about the pouch that Blue Alpha has made that Good Dude will also be selling. And it's just the BRB pouch. It is a very simple way to store the BRB on your plate carrier. So I have mine right here. I don't even know if you can really see it, but it mounts up behind your placard. So it's a 5" by 8 1/4 wide piece of Velcro here that goes on your placard, and then just put whatever, magazine storage you have on top, and then it's just a really easy way of storing and keeping the bar on hand while keeping it out of the way and minimal, as I struggle with that one. But like I said, it's just a super easy way. A little bit of design thought behind it, because we expect these bars, especially the crowbar side of it, to get tore up and bent and well, not bent, but have burrs and junk like that from you prying on doors and whatnot. The pouch here actually doesn't have, so this is the center of the pouch where the bar goes. There is no stitching right here. All the stitching is done on the top and on the bottom to ensure that when you're sliding the bar into the pouch, you're not running over any little threads or anything like that. So that's going to degrade the pouch. So like I said, the main way that I run it is horizontal. I know Chris has a different way that he prefers to run it.
Yeah, I'm running mine vertically, depending on the size of your plates or how they're run. If you're running just soft armor, it can sometimes start to bow a little bit. So in the testing process, when you guys were developing it, I started playing with all the ways to carry it. Even mounted one of the first prototypes in my vehicle with some sticky Velcro just in the door jamb, so if a car flips over, it's in the same spot type of thing. But although it's designed to fit in MOLLE, it's also ambidextrous, so it can go in and out. If you have to rapidly put it back in. So you guys did a fantastic job with the design.
Yeah, and when you guys see it, you'll kind of get what we're saying here. So the bar has a curve to it, and how I suggest putting it through, and I'm sure Chris could maybe agree with this, but when you put the bar in, I prefer to have the point facing back. That way I'm just not having a potential burr or sharp object in the front where your wrist or something can get cut on it. So we just recommend whichever side you go on, just put that hook back towards so it goes kind of with your body there.
Yeah, 100%.
We will have 3 colors. So black, coyote green, we're just doing primary colors because like I said, it is a very minimal item that you're going to be seeing outside the pouch. So we're just doing primary colors for now. But if you're curious, in the pouch, bluealphabelts.com, we will also have the BRB. So head over, check them out. Thank you guys for stopping by. Leave a comment down below.